The Philippines in the 1940s. Life After the War. Part 6. City Hall, Manila, 1945. Quiapo area, 1946. Escolta from Jones Bridge, 1946. Chinese Cemetery, 1945. Avenida, 1945. Selling bananas, post-war around Quiapo. Rizal Monument, 1949. Balintawak Dress, 1946. A Store in Manila, 1946. A statue across the street from the Church of Malate. President Osmeña is presented with the Texas flag at Malacañang Palace, 1946. Rizal Avenue, Manila, 1949. Supplies for Ordnance, Sub-Depot Number 1, being loaded in tanks, Manila, 1946. Street scene, post-war Manila. The Base X, Ordnance Depot Automotive Maintenance in Manila, 1946. A water boiler near one of the wards of the 10th General Hospital, Fort McKinley, Manila, 1947. Times Theater, showing back to Bata Ann, 1945. WTA transmitting station at Grace Park, Quezon City, 1946. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.